Hello, I am Keita Jones. This is Earth Science 3014. This is homework 3. My 3 slides include processes that lift air. If air is lifted sufficiently, it will eventually cool to its dew point temperature, saturation will occur, and clouds will develop. There are 2 processes that I'll describe. One is orographic lifting. This can happen when air is forced to rise over a mountainous barrier, creating clouds and precipitation ascending the mountain. On descent, the moisture is lost, creating a rain desert. And I'll also discuss frontal wedging. This happens when masses of warm and cold air collide, producing a front. Here in Central North America, we see cooler, denser air acting as a barrier over the warmer, less dense air. Now we'll discuss air masses. Air masses are large bodies of air, usually 1,600 kilometers more across and several kilometers thick. Air masses are classified as polar Arctic air masses towards Earth's poles, tropical air masses formed in low altitudes, continental air masses are more likely to be dry, and maritime air masses are more likely to be humid. We live in Oklahoma, and Oklahoma experiences more tornadoes due to the position in the central U.S. with no barrier to block the cold Arctic air from Canada or the warm maritime tropical air from the Gulf. And this creates conditions that are good for supercells to form. Now we'll discuss how precipitation forms. The formation of precipitation is from millions of cloud droplets joining together into drops big enough to reach the ground before evaporating. There are 2 theories that I'll discuss. One is the Bergeron process, which operates in cold clouds. Ice crystals grow larger than the supercooled droplets surrounding them and fall to the ground as snowflakes or rain, depending on the season. Now we'll discuss collision coalescence process, which operates in warm clouds that have water-seeking salt particles and collide with smaller water droplets as they descend. Now, there are different types of precipitation. One is rain. A drop of rain, it falls from a cloud and has a diameter of 0.5 millimeters. Snow is precipitation in the form of ice crystals. Sleet is the fall of small particles of ice that are clearer. Hail is precipitation in the form of hard, rounded pellets or irregular lumps of ice. The end.